How do you integrate your beliefs with the behaviors? When we acquire the good knowledge, new knowledge, so what we start to do, we start to create an event in our mind, in our brain. But I want to tell you, acquiring the good knowledge, good information cannot create an event soon. And what happens, our old beliefs which are already in our mind, which have already placed, which already have taken the place, will not let new ideas come in. And what happens in this way, when we acquire the good knowledge, we acquire the new information. So that new information goes to the conscious mind, sits in conscious mind, and is unable to go to the subconscious mind, because subconscious mind beliefs are already strong and they are dominant. When they are dominant, so they are not letting them be in. So when we become, and I would love to share with you all people, when we acquire the information, so what happens, we become an aware. And when you become an aware of information, what all it does, it sits in our conscious mind, but it fails to change the behavior because of old programming is too dominant. And you know very well, the existing programming is the result of thoughts and feelings which we have engaged in over and over again over a long time, over a long period of time. So when existing programming is in our mind, just because of the long period of time, because we have worked upon them, so why not to work upon new thoughts, new ideas? Why not to create an event in our mind? We can do it if we keep working over and over again over a long period of time. Because when we become an aware personalities, I should tell you, I am an aware person. I know I should be doing this task, so I will be getting this benefit. I should do this, I will get the benefits. I am an aware, I should do, but do I do it or not, it is important. If I get up early, if I get up at dawn, my health would be good. If my health is good, I can just complete my tasks, then my mind also would feel the peace, and my health, wealth, everything will go better. I'm an aware of these things. Do I do or not? If I don't do, so the thing is that my old beliefs are dominant. They are dominating my this awareness, because this awareness is sitting in conscious mind. So what will happen? They are killed by themselves. So what do we need to do? That's why most of the people read novels, most of the people attend the development seminar. So why do they attend? Because they watch reality, they feel the truth. But when they become an aware, next day same routine they use, because of the old beliefs, they are dominant. So what do we need to do? We need to use repeatedly tasks. We need to complete the task, and we need to do it repeatedly over and over for a long time. If we keep doing over and over, so what would happen? We would strengthen the our conscious mind. And once we strengthen the conscious mind and continuously over and over, so what will happen? They would change the old beliefs, and old beliefs also would be impeded by these new acquired informations which we have been strengthening continuously. So in this way, when you people continuously, repeatedly work upon your conscious thoughts, so what will happen? They will kill the old beliefs, old thoughts, and they will get you the results. In this way, these results will change the behavior. In this way, your beliefs, all beliefs can integrate, you can integrate your all beliefs with the behaviors, and they will be seen just by the people. If somebody appreciates you, if somebody admires you, if somebody says to you, you are improving. Why? Because of your you are repeating it continuously, repeatedly you are just working upon it, and for a long time you have been doing it. Within a day, people will not ask you, they will not tell you that you are improving. So what do we need to do? Suppose if you want to put the improvement in your life, repeatedly you have to do it, and continuously you have to do it. It's a core sequence of your working habits which you need to do it. Thank you guys for listening to me.